Okay, just got back from a hauling job and got me a decent weight here. And I'm going to show you what I picked up here. I got me some of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 70's chair. And get the metal off it. And an old gas can. An old antique gas can. I got it empty, it's got gas in it still. A propane tank. Looks to be empty. Got me an old antique chair. And air compressor. Refrigerator, stove, dishwasher. And an old well motor. That air compressor looks like it's worth fixing. So I'll probably salvage the air compressor. You see how the wiring, the motor burned. This old antique steel chair. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, not bad chair. Not bad at all. And I think I got a window fan here as well. Yep, looks like an old window fan. But anyhow, decent weight here. Oh yeah, let me show you something else. Let's see here. And got some scrap aluminum as well. An old steel table. Pretty thick iron table. Just don't have no top, but I figure I can turn around and sell that as well. Get a top for it. But yeah, yesterday's haul's got all that, and today, and I'll show you something else. So let's see where I'm at. Got this old lamp too as well. Yes, I don't know if I can get this in one hand, but I figure I can try it. Ain't that cool? What I need to do, actually, is kind of fix it up a little bit. That's going to be worth to me 25, 30, maybe 40 bucks on eBay. Okay, and there's the bike I was talking about earlier. Yeah, aluminum chairs. Okay, thanks for looking, guys. Should make a decent price on this one at the junkyard. Alright, got it plugged in. It's a free air compressor I got out of that junk hauling job. And it's an old one, alright. Even got some brass compartment where you can see, check the oil. Champion Pneumatic Machine Company, Chicago. I'm not sure on the age or the year. It looks pretty old, but due to the metal and motor. And right here, I guess is where you fill up the oil. It's holding 5 pounds of pressure right now. 10 pounds. Got some good cast wheels on it, or rubber wheels. Yeah, that's a keeper, alright. The guy was telling me though that Little pinhole on the bottom. Could be welded. And it'll hold more air. So I'll play with it later on. Heck, who knows, I might end up keeping it. But still holding up pressure. Alright. Just off the show. It works. Thanks for looking.